Welcome to Science Lab with Mrs. Keener. Hi everyone. In today's lab, we're going to be building a couple of different kinds of ramps and testing them out. A ramp is like a hill that you can build, and we're going to build them out of things that we have in our homes. And we're going to try different kinds and test them out and compare them. If you put a toy car on a flat surface, it'll probably just stay in one spot. But if you put it on a ramp, then the forces on it are unbalanced. The force of gravity can pull it down towards the earth. So I'd like you to build a ramp by stacking up some books and then putting something flat on it at an angle. You can use another book. I'm using a cutting board from the kitchen. And if you have actual car tracks, like Hot Wheels tracks, you can use those too. And you need to put on top something that rolls. It could be a toy car, it could be a ball, it could be a can from the kitchen, anything that rolls. First, we're going to test out a ramp and roll things down it. Next, I want you to make your ramp steeper. So make the top of the hill higher up by adding some more books to your stack. When you test things and roll them down, do they move any differently? Do they go faster or farther? Next, we're going to add some different surfaces to our ramp so that we can add friction. Friction happens when you have things moving, but they're kind of bumpy. So if we put a paper towel on top of our ramp, it's not as smooth. Let's try putting down different kinds of things on our ramp to see if they can change the amount of friction, to see if it changes the way the things on them move. I'm trying different kinds of cloth. Okay, I want you to make different kinds of ramps with different amounts of steepness and different amounts of friction. Test them out, compare them, tell me what you notice, and share pictures and video in Flipgrid.